People are text on my chat and that type and that chat and that type. And sometimes I can't take the whole part, yeah, and blood clot, blavely. So I leave go about my blood clot business. Yeah. Sometimes I can't take the chatting and the things, them, so I leave go about my business. Yeah. The bag of typing, the bag of chatting. Yeah. So, sometimes I can't take the open chatting. Until you see me blood clot know something. Until you see me know something and go behind my blood clot. Go behind my words. Come here try act my me always get blood clot fuck. Anything you see, me know something. Like my hand back. And go behind my words when me tell myself already me always get fuck. Any blood clot you see me tell my blood clot self something. I'ma take my enough self and go behind my blood clot words. Me ever get fuck. Cause me know the chapter blood clot life. Me know the chapter blood clot life from the start to the finish. So me don't know me enough blood clot. So me know nobody type to me. Yeah. Because the whole of blood clots that I want to me I play too much. Wanna stop blood clot type. What I type say? Me come by here, me I play too much cause rank me come for rank. You know, me a ranker, so you know, yeah, look it. Me not accept nobody. Me I play too much with that man. I wanna stop blood clot. It piss me off. Cause me and that man are there. Me just a play too much. Whenever blood clot come explain that you know all the pussy clot while. Me not come to Canada. Whenever come explain that you know every blood clot single fucking time there. Me not come to Canada, leave me alone. Everybody a troll and a type. I want to come around my friend for ask him them say him up there. I say me a forward and me in the match. It costs one piece of controversy. The man really lick out my blood clot. I'm going to say the maturity when I try to develop, it not going to work out, you know. So I better my blood clot stick to my ways when I know. But the blood clot I watch can the video for? Maturity of a woman. Me not have to be me away pan candy and candy mouth, chastity mouth, or mama mouth, or bad. Everybody mouth me away pan me not beard. Send across the message. Cause them nah stop. I made no too good now, cause sometimes my head really screw off to you. Cause sometimes I still gonna tell myself, say, me I try to live one decent life. Cause me have 2 youth in a government care. I mean, I really want, me I fight to get back what is mine. But the devil I fight harder. But I follow the blacklist, cause you are unblock some people, me no want unblock. Me I try live a life where me I try get back me youth them from CPS. But it now work blood clot out. Because every time I try, I fail. You know when you live good with somebody, you know, say you forgot a coat. I have therapy. I have this. I have blood clot that. It now work out. Mm-hmm. You don't understand, Nikita. Stress and worries and problem. Because you try to be a good parent. When you never get in a life, you be a good parent. The internet beat me come and the beat me come. I want to try to say, alright, I'm going to change my ways that I have. And focus. It come in my mal. So my head is above water at all blood clot times. My head is above water at all blood clot times. Me I play too much with blood clot, yo. And me play too much with them, you know. Me I play too much with them like civilized people on TikTok. I do all always civilized. Yeah, my baby father, you have your local blood clot team. I must alright then. Since I was on me there, I play too much with them. I play too much with them yesterday. I play much with today. Because somebody from me say me soon come. You ask me how old I say, when me sort of my blood clot mouth, you bright tea and end my life. You are gonna say, oh, me say me and me day. It costs one piece of controversy, me dear. People have literally a whole if you lick me, me don't feel lick me, come on lock you up. Me want Senegal prison. Yeah. Because me look for myself and me tell myself, say, you know, when I come and see him, there's no turning back. Just a while ago, there's no turning back because Jake's exposed to money. I remember saying, no, me live with a lot of virgin at Jake's. It's when Jake's not have the money, humble like a lamb. It's when your blood clot have money. I ask. I see it. Kill Miss Thomas. Puss. So, you have to remember, so when you deal with a man and a man have, when a man depend on you, you know, a man can calm see, but when a man have money, if me think said the relationship never work, then I know it all worse. So what can me in a kid lock up as a fucking bird and get the lock pull? I'm afraid out. What kind of real me I take myself now say me really gone back in now? That makes sense? Marita Black, please. Andrea, what are you talking about? But if I look at platform and I say me that fuck around, what you talk about? Entertain me do, I have to talk to you. Me and I want a fuck story. What are you talking about? We might do entertain with what? Me and I want a fuck story. So me go through my whole true life and done you. Every time I talk to you, fuck me, I look for you. More ask someone who are really dunce, you know. Because someone who literally dunce. With capital D. So every fucking time I talk to you, fuck me, I look for you. So if I go through life and not talk to you. So you talk about entertainment do what? If I go through life and don't talk to you. Why everything but I'm talking about think is a fuck me I talk about? Me and I want a fuck story. You have your toilet bowl clean a girl. What fuck suck with and suck pussy and suck with a lick up batty hole. And that girl you choose over me. So the blood clot me I do you left me and drop your standard. My mascot? Me I deal with her because we have kids together. What you mean by entertain? I was muting and talk to my chat. And me a fuck around. What that mean? Because they are going to fuck around. Me and this man a whole fuck story. Me and this man now want a fuck argument. Me now want a fuck argument with this blood clot, man. When me a talk to this man, I talk about his kids. Simple. Do I look like I'm stupid? I look at me in a sense. Why would I left 12 years I want me know about somebody and go back in it? They won't bother leave it for. Because someone just like chat, you know. Someone just like chat. I want to chat. I want to have no look stinking opinion. It pisses me off. I didn't even say that to fucking me. Why would I leave 12 years someone me know about? Why would I left to go back into it? Why made I left it to go back into it? Me left it to go back into it. That is not even the blood clot real issue. Plain is not even the real issue. Why made I left if I go back into it? Me left it to go back into it. What sense that make? So the whole I want to type in, and all I want to type in, and all I want to just fucking type in, it's pissing me off. Because what? Me can't left one, I left it for one reason, and the same reason you give me back. You know, so I never fuck back no man of my ex, any boy when me left, me boy me left, and me left you because you can't fuck. What the fuck me I go back to you, I know you can't fuck? What sense that make? I'm going to have the same issue. And the same problem. And my left because you like fuck pa me, you like you wicked, I know you're evil. What the bomber pussy blood clot. Me I go back to your far. I know you stay. That makes sense? I try to value my happiness more. I'm going to try to choose the things that we do affects our kids. Let us live good. So I'm come and I play one look at match that I the TikTok, me the TikTok. What a real more of the blood clot story. You tell me, oh my God, up in my feelings. For what? No. Look how long you have for the toilet bowl cleaner, girl. I'm going to look at you and blood clot tree. How gonna put them feelings here? Oh, I shouldn't even talk back to you. Well, okay, fine. We're going back to square one. We're going back to square one. We'll start all over again. We'll start all over again. We'll start all over again. We'll start by the sequence all over again. We'll start by the sequence all over again. And big woman like me say with that time, I say, oh, you're acting mature and you're acting, I mean, you act like a big woman. We'll start all over again. Me try. So we'll start all over again. Unu can't tell me say me try. Me unu say me try. I've tried. Come on, you know what in your wood part in your back of your blood clot head. Ever so long until you say me want you. Me not call and talk about fuck. We're not talking about anything in a fuck story. Me and I want a fuck conversation. Me will call you, ask me what me them say me them want my business. Simple. But true, me look at him and make him know say, you there with the girl, she have a rent house, you can't go there. I fuck you buy, you know, buy comfort. You have to itch up on the girl and she have rent house. Me couldn't take back things when me see a waist girl a clown him. So I don't know where the fuck get things me I do with blood clot you. I me see a waist girl when I know suck pussy. Clean the earth. Them a clean the earth. I clown you. Cause them no right. The last boy when I see she there with beat her till her ears bleed. You mean like kick up her blood clot. Them sell pussy flying. Them a pussy seller. You let me feel sell pussy girl. If you say me you want you, if you do what? Me walk away from you. I hold my blood clot grungs as a general. Yeah. Hold my grungs as a general. Hold my grungs as a blood clot general. And we do over here and see over here. I say, alright, then I come over here and see over here. I'm going to click and play too much because everybody have to eat food. Because the one don't like so long I tell me I'm a bad mind. This time I'm a bad mind. That time I'm a bad mind. This one like tell me so I'm a bad mind. The one don't like so long I tell me I'm a pussy clap bad mind. This time I'm a bad mind. That I'm a bad mind. Come I'm a bad mind. I say alright then. Like when you like tell me so I'm a bad mind. This I'm a bad mind. That I mean no I'm in a bad mind. Let us behave like civilized human being. I come at me I play too much with you. I can't come for they ask me where me I go for. You want not chatting about some things that I don't want to talk about. I in a week somebody call me and tell me say, yeah, you girl around the blood clot road. Some of them say in a week, them time them say, you thinking girl around the road. How way they go do? I say, what the fuck me for do? Me not do nothing. Me in a day. What you think me go do? You think me go say an argument with her? Me not give her no hype. Them a toilet bowl cleaner. A BMW me driver, she's a walk blood clot fuck. So what the fuck you think say me that go really blood clot though? When me have a car key and a bank card. Why me things that me need for blood clots? You're stinking girl when me know a pussy she said. If she not suck out, she not eat for argue with. Eh? Why you things that me Rosa need if you see you're a girl? If she not suck her hood, I look out her body she not eat. How many you not give her your money? Like that. How you mean? Them look a bit and stink. Why you think me need for blood clot? It will I say a whole argument with her. She not in my league. Me not play the same ball game. So if you say an argument with her, she not nobody. How you make you feel like she a blood clot somebody? How you can't come fuck her up on my bed and give her that privilege? Make you feel like she has somebody. So the edge we have over shit, the edge we get over blood clot, me. And that me I talk about. You carrying on my bed come and I know I'm not get over it. The edge we get this big thinking pussy girl over me. It's crazy. Cause you carry come fucking on my bed. Makes you feel like she had things. And I mean not say them boy and see if your wife are about you. No man me not say I walk with blood clot tree. No man. Cause them a night crawler. Them a after hours or. She a suck good from she a baby. She a nyam body from she in a belly. And them the low class thinking fuck out girl with them DPH balance to have toilet bowl cleaner. Me see your take. And go like you want to come get right. Ali has somebody. And so me dump a chair in her blood clot face. I try to say next time when you meet a man you fucking don't go up on the girl bed. Her pH balance to have she fucky. Jakes are the only man who have fuck she. Cause when Jakes fuck her for 5,000, she go suck her out for another 8,000, and she go look out her body for 2,000. Cause them rent have to pay, and them have to eat food, and then them pussy them live off her. You alone can help her. And you not get 100,000 say all this. You get one look at chum chest, but you fly out 1 year grand it done. 2 day time $8,000 done. 2 day time, not even 1 day time, 1 grand done. For them when I work 2 day time it done. I shall blood clot rent for pay. So she fuck you. When they don't fuck, she's a next client to a next client. Your client blood clot, girl. Where you fuck? Where me leave you for? Cause when you leave girl and you take another girl, if you take a girl, okay, I say yeah. So there's no turning back, boo. Some know where your blood clot feel like say. But oh, I'm in a blood clot war, you big stinking girl. I saw the blood clot me I do not me left you. All because I go up on my phone and I tell the person my soon blood clot come and you ask me oh I said that's none of your business. I end my life. You ready for underrate your war and I try to do a live good blood clot with you. Big stinking blood clot, girl. Go suck your mother. Are you ready for fight? When I go tell her fuck up the toilet bowl cleaner, girl, that. When I go tell the toilet bowl cleaner, girl, that. Eh? I sit down and rage out the wage I've seen it. I sit down and weigh out like when they put blood clot flour up on scale. I have to balance if you get 1 pound. Me couldn't get back with you, Jakes. I exposed to money. I know the relationship would have worse. So put apart that. The girl where you diss me for not even make no sense. No, the mad them in a marry. Make the problem go and talk. Sometimes I have to type. You even fuck about them. The girl where you like for don't even make a sense. She can't walk in my foot out when I told them one do. She a toilet bowl cleaner. I fuck themselves. Cause I come here so come sit down and play too much with blood clot, yo. And you gone up in your blood clot feelings. Cause my feelings numb for you. Long time ago. So I know you fuck you feel like say. My feelings numb for you a long time ago. Cause I know exactly what you are. I know I put myself in another pyramid there. Who the fuck you think I left a blood clot, man? Me left, you know, free in the bird at the tree. Me can't fuck who I want. Me can't go anywhere I want to go. When nobody call me and ask me, where you there? What time you come? If you come back in that, I'm so on a 5 subject, oh, done, sorry you. Me left you. When I jump in my train and go about business, I have nobody ask me, where you there? What time you come back? How far you reach? And me really left you for free and take back you for what? Not even a fuck more night than you. Cause them girls sell pussy, I'm afraid of AIDS. And sometimes I like fuck raw. Them girls sell pussy, I'm afraid of AIDS. Cause I don't want to catch nothing. You don't want to catch nothing. I'm afraid. When I come out to HIV, I'm afraid. So what am I going to do then is I sell pussy girl a second for. When I know sell pussy, I know Alia sell pussy. And suck pussy. And lick up batty. Not even a woman I like her. She and my sister the same thing. I pussy them sell. So when the blood coming out, so them are germs and you take them. You take her up. And really sit down and say I take a lot for you for the what? Exactly. You want me to have scratching on my wall? I'm afraid of AIDS. Gonorrhea, I'm afraid of AIDS. Gonorrhea, syphilis, any tuberculosis. I'm afraid of it. I'm afraid of it. I'm afraid of tuberculosis and the disease. I'm afraid of it. So So why me that take you back? I know you're doing that sell pussy, girl. Sometimes I like go raw. Why me that take you back? I'm gonna do with that blood clot dirty girl. Well, all them need is all them need to do is find a stationary back road. That's all I need to do, find a station a back road. Hard type of thing for them and them whole power of them have. Them good at the fuck all and them batty. A long time them a work for them a baby. They got a fucking breed from she about 14. Nya man lose and what dead now come out. So the blood clad, me I take you another testicle for. You know if you take a girl with a class, so you can say, boy, matter like, him be look good at shaft class and she well put together. Because I don't really take, but you take a blood clad, sell pussy, girl. Look at me walk a sell pussy. Look at me walk a suck good. Look at me walk a mingle with blood clad girl certain way. Yeah, why you? I saw the blood clap me I do with you. That's why I say I chat to you. That's why I say I chat up to blood clot you. Because most of the blood clot time them, you just deal with people because you see the road where you want blood clot go. Yeah, jump the blood clot. Go let's say I left me literally left you. Because you're in my blood clot house. And I fuck the girl that take my things and get the blood clot. I'm gonna never forgive you for that. It burn me bury till me dead to blood clot. So the world see me play too much. I too much me a blood clot and I laugh for someone who. Because kinds are true. For do what? Exactly. And me walk away. So I go walk away from someone I want. I don't walk away from boy what I want. I fix it. What the fuck? I don't walk away from no boy when I want. I fix it. If you tell me 20, I fix it. Long as me, ROSEALEE, want you. You sick? Long as me want you. Me fix it. Every time me 20 years for fix that shit, me trying a way for fix that. Something must fix it. If you even avoid me too long, me I call your phone, me I text on your phone, you have to block me. Me live in your skin like maclock when me want to fix things with boy. Me text over here, so me text over this, so me call it there, me call it here. Want none. Me chat to somebody close to you forget to you when me want to fix things with boy. And I am that. Miss Clean. Clean pum no pussy test. Worse if my blood clot and I try fix it. I'll let somebody know you. Hello. You can't talk to him for me. I find your yard. Anyway, you clown me each up there. I pay a blood clot story me. I pay walk me I walk and get a person that wants to one part of the story, one part of the after me I walk and tell out the whole blood clot story. I try to fix it when me want boy. I mean I run away. I put my two for them and I run find you. So I you can talk about big stinky girl, I don't want you like me want you. I want you. I don't try to live good with you because we have kids together. And we have court. And the pussy and dog live with him and sometimes I can't bother with that. And the pussy and dog live with him, I can't bother with that. I can't bother with the pussy and dog live with him, I want to live civilized. Because I have you together, I'm a youth them. So I can't bother with that. What to do what exactly? The age you give her all of a blood clot, me think say me could have take you back. So so you still don't tell Alice I want you. I'm out, but I still don't tell them I want you. Yeah, come on, I don't want you. You still don't tell me I want you. When I get the idea there? Because when they come and ask me, they tell me about my business. When I see how they ask me, I come from, I say about my business. I'm going to start out my car and the argument done. So I must have to tell Alice, Mom, you know why you? If you do what? Afraid of AIDS. And I fuck them, so none of them you choose. This is 2025. Father God, I rather fuck a dog. Would I make Jakes fuck me? Dog. D-O-G. See black girl over there, so. My mother come in over there, come tied up in there, me and search a black girl and can't find black girl. I'm going to ask her, where black girl there? I'm going to look and say, that black girl in the blood clot. The black girl over there, so. No worry about my clit. When my arm, I turn it on, for one speed, I put on my clit. Motion down, motion up, rub the top part. Put on one center, one part. When that circle, my remedy about something from my come and throw it one side and go sleep. With the bumper pussy blood clot. What can I intention me get some warm? Me want you back. Now go sit down and tell her less more ever come, I don't want you. I when you turn a multi-millionaire, I don't want you bumper pussy blood clot. Cause I know you. Someone don't know what the fuck me that know how a man can go back in at that. Jealousy like if the man jealous you fuck. What if you idiot? If you come out a bandage, Jakes would have come like the show when him captive. When the man kidnap little girl pick and put them in a bandage for years. You can't go nowhere, you can't talk to nobody. Every man you talk to is a problem. Everything we do is a problem. So what the fuck me that left from you with your toxic, jealous, blood clad self? If you go back in it for go do what now? Cause me want a broke? Me go use black girl. Me go use black girl. Why the fuck me that really left and itch up till me get rid of you completely. For come back, come do blood clot. Why come so long and play too much with you? That's a dormant. A lot of them on TikTok class me every time and I play with them. Don't you guys see that? From Jaden to Jabas to woman can do to all type of them always class. Man, you see me still talk back to them. Me and them can't kick the bucket in the worst blood clot. We even ask Dan. Me and Dan take the bucket in the worst. So I mean, I talk to her, see me. Come in and walk with other people. That doesn't mean I want you back. It does mean I'm being nice. Because I'm a nice person. In a real life. That doesn't mean I want you. It means I forgive you. And I'm moving on. That's what it means. It doesn't mean I want you. It means I'm moving on. That's what it means. Of course, I'm a nice person in real life. When I walk out other people for, it doesn't mean I want you. It means I'm moving on. I'm growing. That's childish to sit down and people in your memory, chopping their memory for years and days and decades, and hear people for no reason. That's childish. No matter what they say about me on the net, you will see a point in time I talk to some of them. For some reason, I don't even know why. But I do. That is the type of person I am. Look care what them say about me, I do me. So every time comes something, I say me chat to them, said blood clot to you. Come and I literally hate people. So me talk to you the same way. And that doesn't even matter. But there's no my time and space and limit with people. So what the fuck you say? Me deal with you because we have kids together. I go like say me yeah, fuck me. I don't look for you. So I tell Alice, man, all them know wanna fuck for your stinking man. I want them to ask if him not gonna be here. Cause you want him a rubbish. Where? You want to deal with him because I'm a baby father. And we have kids together a while ago when him a go on, but I tell him I'm big and stink. And I ain't a rich from little girl stand up and look so. You do something in front of your kids, I wonder what the fuck is wrong with you. Can't live good nothing for a second. I'm not make that decision again. You will never blood clot change. So all of my have in my back and all of my back on my head I have, I was right all along. And when I do this thing, you all come and judge me. He will never fucking change. I'm right all along. Right. So no matter to stay far. I'm going to really and truly stay far from him. So I'll third position, I don't know how come I'm going in a room with him. I try. So I'm going to tell person, I say, when I'm going to your honor, I say, Your Honor, I try so. I'm going to go back in the court, I say, Your Honor, I try to live. I try to live good with that man. But jealousy take over the body, soul, and mind. It can't work out, and it's just the honest truth. I don't think I want to be in a room with him. So when the decision they made, any decision the court was giving me, I have to just completely comply with it. It not gonna work out. It hurt me and I don't want to feel hurt. I don't want to hurt anymore. Honestly, I don't want to hurt no more. I been through a whole lot. I'm still in a whole lot. I try to go through a whole lot. I don't want to hurt no more. Feel betrayal cut deep. And apart from feel betrayal cut deep, I'm trying to live good with you, but it not work out. Leopard never change him spot. And worse, expose the money now. I know you're cockatty. I mean, I'm up at all. Me not drink come. Me not really like so good. You know what? Let me just, when the judge decide, let me just work with it. Come here, I got court. Me that plan to go court today, but me not gonna go. Not gonna with him. No. Me plan to go court. Me not gonna go. Me that plan to go court with him, me not gonna go. It doesn't make any sense. Me that plan to go court with him. Me that do it for the youth them. Me talk about my real support. I'm not talk about troll and I chat. We not a moderator here for black some of these people. Me talk about real people, understand what I talk about. Me do it because me just do it because me I try to live good. I'm do it because we have kids and them young. I'm do it because me I try to live civilized. I'm do it because we have court case. Me do it. There's a lot of things that I really think about to do it. Because as I said before, it's me talk to him and never him talk to me. And me talk to him. And never him talk to me. I'm not afraid to say that in a no sentence. I'm not walk and tell like I'm not need nobody approval. I don't need a validation. I talk it out it go. As a big fucking 32-year-old big woman. And me talk to him. Come here and say, you know what? Let me try and fix this. Because I've been thinking, and I've been watching, and I've been seeing, and I've been saying to myself, try and fix this goodie back, because if you don't, it might ruin you entirely. But my peace is important more. Because if me down there, you're supposed to hold an argument to it, becoming a whole argument, but you bitch what you choose. I don't care about you and what you want to do. You know, no fuck story. You have choose your path and I've choose mine. So when I tell you about your bitch, you feel away. Come and say, yeah, when you tell me about my bitch, you feel away. You want them about people, I tell you about your bitch. Because there ain't no you talk up nobody that's relevant in any circumstances. Nobody sees she's a person. We see her as one big fuck out, one of them they choose. Big stinking girl go suck your mother. With a blood clot. You better feel one for them when I reach the fact myself me die if you lick me. Come out the thing me that lick about. Right when I perceive you go in the police station. I'm issue out the paper. I'm get my medical report. I'm sue you with my lawyer. Come never lick you. Me I talk out of my blood clot mouth. And you want to come get bright. And me I make you know say, you mash up a 12-year relationship because your ego system. Because me gone about my business and kill it in the back of your head. Me gone fuck. So you know you do. You fuck on my bed for burn me. But you know literally burn me, burn you. Cause I know him a cry to himself and say, what me go do? You sorry you did it. And that's the feeling it will last for your lifetime. Him ego system, if man have an ego system. When you see me leave and they are die, them and then I might own a room at night time and do my life, I lock up my life and go and sleep. You feel like say, yeah, me got more my for body right now. So your intention we have, she gonna fuck so me I go fuck to. You want even up till you lose. That's what hit you. Reality. You're so interested to even up till you lose. Cause even you want to say I get evil with me, you can't get evil with me. You lose every blood clot because I don't even like you. But as I try to live good because we have kids, I don't hate it, but I don't like him that much. One night I out the door, I remember. And me and him out there quarrel. I remember, and I said to him that you really carry a girl in my bed go fuck. How cruel are you? If I carry a girl, you ever have no bed where I can't carry a woman go fuck pan? Oh, cruel are you, wicked or blood clot you? Oh, you wicked, so. I want to reminisce back on it. And the intention, and I'm an intention to tell me say, if she can get up, and walk in my house, go fuck you a long time, you never do it. If she can get up and come in here and fuck you a long time, you not been do it. She's comfortable doing it. And I get so emotional. I started to cry. I get so emotional. My brain started running. I started to cry. Cause and a brave, she brave. And something was she him ever do consistent to the boy wicked. Jakes, my bill for the betrayal. Deep. You can't just start a blood clot, man. But don't even want to have 2 foot in out. When man tell me, just make it go through one ears and come through the other. As something was she still gonna do long time for you to be so comfortable to do it again. Because back in the days when I take people, man, me not going in the house. Me not going there now. Because suppose a woman come catch me. So something she do me a long time. And something what she used to. I want me sit down and think about that. Because even when I have other conversations with other people, sometimes I tell myself it don't make no sense. I'm sit down and reminisce to myself. When I sit to myself, I remember that that's the worst betrayal of a lifetime. I cry. I'm gonna be honest, 5.2K, I've cried. I get so emotional, like I say, you're wicked. Cause something where you gotta be a long time. And you tell me say you're not for you looking at my 2 years them so. And tell me say you're not there. You can't hide it, no blood clot more. And that's why I figure a chair over there. Boom a buckle in her blood clot face and throw a chair on her. And she walk with that little tiny stinking self. Cause she can't hold an argument with me. Long time you do it. And the fact that you do it long enough, I'm just a find out. It brings tears to my eye. I'm out there cry. And I'm after me if you carry me inside. I'm tell me say, yo, go on, where I go, me go in. Me balling, me not weak. I'm crying, I'm not weak. Him offer me if he say, come let me carry you over. And I said, no. Go on where you stay. Make me take my crying self over my yard. Me know you're reaching here. Me know why you're reaching here. When you look, you push yourself upon me. When you look, you're in a bed. Go on to your girl. I said, no, mama, could. And I'm calling him a chat, and I just say, listen. No, me no man. I know man. And I know what man is really about. So I know, and in a no giving blood clot time, you know go come here, reach over here, reach to my blood clot bed. Feelings are walk. Cause at the time, sometimes you tell yourself you're not blood clot, but human being, a woman come here to say you find yourself a fuck back man, you tell yourself you're not fuck back. Cause we might eat crab and it give you an allergic reaction, and then 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months pass, we go to a restaurant and them have crab on the menu. I will try back crab, I will get by the same allergic reaction. I will know so whenever I will name it the same way. That's how human beings stay. So I tell you, don't follow me go over, I will take my time and walk going to my house. I don't know that with you. I rather fuck a dog. Stay with a sell pussy girl. You choose her over me, stay with her. Stay with a toilet bowl cleaner. Half a bitch she be. Cause she know nobody. I wanna go, oh, you come talk about, oh, the girl so good and me. Yes, she's a certified pussy and cocky sucker. From she young. She not a good blood clot background. Which blood clot girl you are gonna pick up in your lifetime or breed for she in her teens? And to her she fucky and more for plaster 5 years in her hand. Cause she breed young. She don't have a good education. She don't know shit. All she never do is skin out her hole and fuck and open my mouth and fuck. All I never do is skin out her hole and fuck and open my mouth and fuck. That's all she know for do. She don't know nothing more. That's why you don't stick with her up to that cause she don't like bat. She don't know if you come for near me out. We don't tell me I'm say a pussy you buy. You not buy a comforter fuck you buy. You're there with the girl and the girl live in her house and over the gully you have to itch up with your mama. You can't go with the girl there. You can't go with the girl blood because she live in her house. When you fuck her, she put you out to leave and collect her blood clot dividends. And you have to come out. And that's your settle for. You can't get a night's sleep. Which TikTok out a roadside slung for the whole blood clot there. Yeah. You can't get my money, can't come in the house. Thank God me have my old button can slung in and comfortable and do my work. Mosquito not bite me. Put palatas are make it than me. I'll you fuck out more than me. My breed on me a blood clot 20. And your breed on me about 14. 13, 14, every for you 13, 14. I'm a fling 5 years in your blood clot and that 5 years make you stink. Them the blood clots in 5 year and 10 year. And Kyle. And blood clot. The injection them give you in a breed make you stink. Make you stink and bleed and stop and bleed and stop. And pussy. And smell like hospital. Boy, big stinking girl. Like your girl. 5 years we put the hand for the breed. She have teeth for she 13. And a class girl pick up on a fuck. You have to literally hide her. When you look over boom, you itch up with her blood clot. And when you're hungry, you call her. When you're hungry, when you're hungry, you call her, you get her and look at change. You want she can laugh at blood clot me. No time. Come here, top girl for your waist, girl. Me a top girl for your waist, girl, because if your girl no fuck she on yam. If you're the girl and on the brain, for go learn, for go get up and go look at J.O.B. It's an entertainer. If your girl no fuck she on yam, if she no suck out, she no eat. If Alan no suck out, she no yam. If she no fuck, she no eat. And sell pussy girl have multiple partners, so I'm afraid of AIDS. Cause she'll fuck you. Some of that look a big man who pick her up around the blood clot road. I must about 5 man over Mali. Cause them like money. And you care, you're not rank your blood clot money and girl. You girl look a change to fuck her, yes. She's a call girl for you. You wanna fuck her when it's convenient and the fuck her you have to come out to her house. Cause she wipe out her hole and wipe off her mouth can and call the next client. Jake said time up 1 o'clock. The next client will come 2:30. Them not have time for be. They must wipe out them hole and wipe off the mouth corner. And eat again and fuck again. And them the girl you choose over blood clot me. So I don't know why you feel like me go want you back. Excuse me? Really? All the blood clot me feel. And them the girl you choose. A girl will go suck her out and wipe off her blood clot, but like she don't want center table. And she don't want a restaurant. She just say her when she done suck it and wipe off her mouth. And when she done fuck it, she wipe out her hole and go again. And then the girl you choose, and I couldn't class a girl, and level a girl. All the fuck me for left you, I take up some of the worse than blood clot to you. When me say back me up on 100,000, she kick him, the person can't. You mad? Oh, the fuck? Me for left you. I talk about blood clot, boy. I almost say back me up on $500,000 and can't. AJX. Oh, the fuck me, ROSEALEE, for left you. I talk about boy, I must say back me up on $500,000. He can't. You can't back me up on $500,000. 500,000 you can't back me up on. So what kind of level is there, so? Here, would clean a girl. Oh, the fuck me for left you. I think about boy, I'm gonna call him and say, back me up on $500,000, him can't do it. But suppose you can say, back me up on $500,000, you run your blood clot card, set speed, you just run it. Back me up, baby, I got you. You can't do it. Me can't make it 200,000, me can't make it 100,000. So the blood clot. Because I left you for worse, Sarah. Worse than you. Somebody want to make no sense. But just a fuck up, me will come and have a word for fuck. Eh? Me upgrade from 6 stomach to husband. Anybody who can't back me put $500,000 in a blood clot while you sense that blood clot make. But suppose you can ring the boy phone and say back me put $500,000, I'm gonna buy something. I'm gonna get this. And he can say, okay, baby, I got you, and go so bam with him card. Back me up. If I even borrow me, I borrow it. You have to can back me up. If I even borrow me, I borrow it. To him, I have it can give you back. You have to can back me up. Coming after at the time, you know, I need backup. Excuse me. Don't come here, sir. Don't come here, sir. I don't care what you want blood clot say. Don't come here, sir. Don't come here, sir. I call and say back me up on $500,000, me I get as my quint. If I call and say go in the bank for me, as bank open. I know you can't call Ali and say Shanta want something to eat. So I ask her, what me get it from? I'm gonna sell no fuck yet. If you call Ali and say, Ali, back me up, Shanta want something, she gonna say, me, where me get it from? Me, I'm not sell no pussy yet. My mouth, them live off her, and them all. Them so-called pussy, them fuck-called girl. Man, them drink man come and woman come. That a trade me for JAKES. For a girl will drink man discharge and woman discharge. You want to come run up all the while like your blood clot things. And you see me try to live good because we're baby mother and baby father. And the youth are grow. Every day can't be the same. Because the youth them are grow. You feel like say, yes, me want you for do what? But the blood clot more for pussy clot though. And you take a girl, you're trading a girl for me will drink man come and woman come. I drink man come and woman come. I lick up batty crease when it not wipe properly. I got the dentist got pay 150,000 for short time out. Where she forget it from? She now wear two good suit clothes. Where she forget it from? Me could have left by baby mother when me know say can't back me up for a girl who can't back me up. No day, no time, and no hour. A batty a girl lick out. Strictly batty. She lick out. And a long time she don't call them a fucker too low, fuck a rat. Fuck sideways, fuck something, fuck back way. But the Chris na battle she have to lick it out. And you really sit down and kiss she and want me to deal with you? I'm afraid I AIDS. Sorry. Yeah. But now there will no boy can back me put $500,000, sorry. You must can back me up. Yeah. And if you can back me put $500,000, you must can back me put $1 million. If you can back me up with $500,000, you must can back me up with $1 million. And all you can back you up with $5,000. Because when she done suck off your hood, you fuck her. And you come and they say your money done. Like they just say plan as a week plan done. They just say your plan has been expired. Peep, top up again and you don't have no more blood clot service. You drop your standard. So the fuck me I do with you? And you think a girl beneath my level. Eh? What the fuck me I do with you? But you don't want me to do what me want you to do. You think a girl beneath my blood clot level. You got another class in a category in a farm. You can't walk with her because she has germs. She can't do the same thing. Them are germs. Them are so good for them in them teens. And back in my teens, back in my blood clot teens, people can't so good, girl. When I drink off another cup. For your boy, you have to go one side. Bow, 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 all bowers. From them time there. And the amount of belly was she near man, pick the bus in her belly and they kill her. And she go pick up. The girl will have a stinking 5 year in her blood clot and that your blood clot take up. Because if Ali be when she have 14 or when she have fuck from she have 10. The eyes are careless things. You pick up and I got talk about oh me why you. If a girl be when she have 13 or when she have fuck from she have 10. Eh? If Jake's girl be when she have 13, she have fuck from she have 10. I breed when me have ID. And then breed when them mama for them got clink. So I know you want an argument with me. So you get a fuck from she 10. She don't have no pussy left. But the only thing you want out. You want somebody. Because I want Alena is a one up you want her for me. You know what, Alea? You never want Alea, you want a one up. Come on, oh, you can't just somebody you're not there with. You never want Alea, you want a one up. And when I play tit for tat this game, we are play Caan. Move. You choose your path and I choose mine. You take who you want to come, take who you want to take in my own. Me not have to be me whip and candy mouth. I feel suckable tonight. I feel suckable tonight. I candy mouth. Nah, beer. You take a girl when I have no clarity in the top farm. If you want to go on the road, she can't go on. You take a girl if you want to go on the road. You want to have to call. You don't have to call Uber. She can't go so people and go in her car and drive you out. She don't want nothing to them out and a big hole and a big throat. The little girl done and she just 20. More done and older than them a settle for. You want me and mad out? In a which way? Me? Me a top girl, me a good girl. Mad out over what? Me not search a man like one. Me had 32 pieces of clothes off a Shein and 2 pieces of cheap boot. Show the man with my gurgle and jump in my vehicle and go and party, go drink and wine up myself and feel myself and that me a search for good times. Mad out for blood clot, wanna crazy? Me had such a 2 cheap clothes of a sheet with a $10 feet, or $15 feet, or $20 feet. I want $10 blood clot boat. Stop it down with 2 blood clot chain around my neck and dash me ears so and jab my blood clot purse and pick up my can and jump in a blood clot bim bim she. And touch now one blood clot pattern when the music start, but I just start dip and go down and drink. And that me a search for. Lonely nights can't kill me. Lonely nights can't kill me a blood clot. I'm comfortable alone. I just me youth them want around me. So I can hear voices so in here alone. I'm comfortable. How that me a blood clot searcher now? I'm a fuck one boy here and there. Me don't want nobody around me. I want to live alone. How that me a searcher now? What the fuck? I can't lost here and lost there and feel like more, you know, chat to the boy, I'm going to lost and prime myself and laugh to my blood clot and enjoy my blood clot self. At 32, I'm soon 40. Mad out over what? Eh? Captivation can mad me out. Man don't have me locked down like bandage can have me mad out. You crazy? You hear me a chat? Me don't want no more bandage, no more bandage sore foot and it stink. Look on a bandage foot or it sore up and stink. Me don't want no bandage no more. Me don't want nobody call me ask me how me there. Me give up that life there already. Don't ask me no question. Me here fuck on my pussy good, watch me from the old skirt. That me there pan. Me give you one bad fuck and my pussy good, watch me from the blood clot old skirt. Don't watch me on the sideline. That's it. I have a look of fucker boy in my corner. When I run, I go boom off him wood, boom off your body and don't take time. That's all I want. Been over 32 times and boom it off. That's all I want. I'm a good. You know what nothing more? When I have my youth them, when I get my little place and fix up my place to my little liking, I have my youth them around me. I don't want nothing more. Cause me a hustler. Me can jump on my work and hustle. Have one look church to buy food. And told this and told look at that. And more look for me just go burn off and look fucker boy in my corner. I look fucker boy like the boy fuck bad. I'm just having him in my corner. But just go burn off him and just work. Twerk on it every here and there and wear. You don't want to sleep in. If you sleep on one time and two, you're not going to get the bag of sleep. You know what I mean? More roll in my bed to beg a kirk. I not push up myself, man. I not seek, no man. I comfortable. With a bumper pussy blood and I tell me about like tree dropping on my blood clot face. Asphalt pack up in my bumper clad hole. Alright. Freedom is a blood clot, but I don't know bandage. The boy bandage me up. Where I go? Where they? Where I come from? What time I come in? I'm going to look at him from I tell you what, if I tell you what time I come. How long me gonna depend that? I find my peace. And that pieces. I don't want to come out. I'm gonna need to look at focus on my pussy because I'm a human being. I'm gonna need it because, you know, get like it's like I want to feel fantastic when I'm ready. But at the end of the day, fed upon, something you put your trust in some boy. You put your trust in you put your love and your trust in some boy, them fail you. So I'm not do that again. Sometimes when you sit down and put your like and your trust in your love and your demeanor in some boy, you want them and them don't want you. So what the fuck me I run down that far, 32? I thought I'm all enjoy my life. Life is short, you know. I mean, I really suck all about wood. So no one gonna really tell me say. You put some trust on some blood clot, but them fail you. Because when a nigga realize they like him too much, him start to go on like, you know I'm like you? Some of these niggas are insane. You like a boy. You show the boy say you like him. Me I show you say I like you, you know? Me I show you say I want you. And you don't want that? What the fuck you want? How can a girl go through life without using feelings? Everything you put your feelings in. How can a person go through life without feelings? You have to feel something at one point. Because if you don't want me like you, want me hate you, I'm not gonna pretend to do either. You get the naturality of me. So if I don't like you, you're gonna see it, and if I like you, you're gonna see it. That's how I program my life. So if you don't want me like you, make me know, because I can't hate you at the next minute, you know. Because if I put 100 in a boy and them give me 58, I drop it down to all 20, sometimes 10. Because I go look for somebody who will actually take up my time. When I put 100 in a boy and them give me back 58, I'm saying, I put 100 and you give me back. You don't even ride with me on the tempo, you not ride with me. You don't give me back, you don't even give me back 100 now. But give me something I can say me equal with. You know, meet up to my standard, I drop back my love and move on to somebody who can actually do it. I'm going to find interest in somebody who can actually keep up my time. I'm not going to sit down and wait on you two when you ready. This is 2025 now, and next year is 2026. I'm going to 2020 blood clot 7. Why must I sit down and wait and blood clot you? For what reason? Life is short. So I get 100 in a blood clot, boy, you give me the least and the look maximum. I left you and go pick somebody else who actually care. And trust me, the numbers out there are full. Because woman, me have pussy underneath my foot. I never in a bad circumstance with no boy. Me all of my ex them good. I just come in and take back boy when I fuck and left back. Because that don't make no sense. I don't take back none of my ex them. Sorry, it's a disappointment failure. But I start with a new boy and feel new love all over again. I saw the love when I have for you once and it die out. You said me like you once, I love you once and it die out. Me not search back feet. If me for that day with a boy, I'm gonna like him, I made him bang 2 times, I want 2 times. I made now bang again, and years pass and months pass. If you not give me back that sparks, me not use it, you know. Because sparks see me, I know what I search for. Sparks to me have to come naturally. And I mean, I have a natural, authentic feeling about you. As I see my heart start to flutter, and my pussy start to drunk, and I feel ooze and ass. I don't sense what sense it make. I know when you turn me, I'm more when I say me turn and that me fuck for. I don't take boy for do I turn me on. I want when I see you, me turn on. I think about me, I go do things that I turn on by thinking about it. Just a thought run because I say, boy, really gonna give me some good crime tonight. I'm going for it. And that me think about. Just a thought of you turns me on. And that me fuck for. I don't fuck me, I try catch back. Once my feeling disappear for your boy, I'm going on for the next. Once and I use my energy, I left me, I leave you alone. I don't have time for that. 2026 coming. You see me today, we might not be here tomorrow. Me I live my life to my fullest. Me now whip on a soul for complete and comply, sorry. And if you don't like me that way, fine. You go on to the next casually. Simple.